So today we will look at pronouns in the possessive case in Hindi. What does it mean? The English equivalents of my, mine, your, yours, his, hers, their, theirs. So who, whose, like that. So we already know that our ending is for masculine singular, and in plural case it becomes a. So mera becomes mere. In feminine singular plural, notice that nothing changes. So, meri will remain meri. All E endings, long E endings will remain long E endings. So, for example, mera, mere, meri. Hamara, hamare, hamari. Check the English equivalents here. Our, ours. Tera, tere, teri. Your, yours. Tumhara, tumhare, tumhari. And there's also like versions of these. The most intimate one is tera tere. Informal tumhara tumhare, and informal plurals can be tum logo ka, tum logo ke, tum logo ki, आपका आपके आपकी, उसका उसके उसकी, his or hers, इसका इसके इसकी. Now this is only dependent on the proximity. If somebody is close to you, standing close to you, you can say iska or iski. Somebody is not present there, then you can say uska, uski. Same way, unka, unke, unki, or inka, inke, inki. This is their or theirs, again depending on proximity. Close by, then inka, inki. Unka, unki if somebody is not standing, not present when you are talking about them. Then kiska, whose, kiske, kiski. Plural case, kinka, kinke, kinki. Right? So this is all about the pronouns in the possessive case. Happy learning. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.